Hi friends, here's a construction packet. While he's a community helper, he also drives something very important. So here's a paper bag. You're gonna make a puppet. Here's his head and his body. You can decorate that any way you like. And here's some words. Hard hat, hammer, boots, vest, and tool belt. That's always fun. And then some matching words. There's some construction things over here, and you have nail, toolbox, drill, cement truck, bulldozer. And then you need to match, such as the toolbox to the toolbox. I'll let you find the rest. And then this is kind of a math skill that you can do. So if you have one construction worker and you're adding another construction worker, how many construction workers do you have? And this one is minus takeaway. So you have 2 horses, and to take away 1 horse, how many do you have? And then here's one that you're going to cut out on the bottom, and you're going to fill in the missing pattern. So this one you have to sit and think about for a minute. If you don't feel like doing this one, you don't have to do it. If you're not ready for it, you don't have to do it. We're just including it to give you some ideas. And this one is about letter B, because B is for bulldozer. Color the uppercase B yellow, color the lowercase b blue. So that blue is also a B word. Have fun with your construction unit. Bye, friends.